I get asked quite a lot what the best thing about childminding is and why I love it so much, and it's really hard to sort of pinpoint one reason. For me, I love watching children sort of grow and develop and gain their own sort of little personalities whilst in our care. I think it's a great honour to be able to be a part of a child's life and see them grow.
The best bits about childminding are having other families trust you to look after their prized possession and helping them, not just by looking after their children, just being there for them, trying to make their life easier. Because it is really hard for parents to go out to work and try and juggle that with a family. So I'm just there to try and make their job easier.
Peth gorau fod yn warchodwr plant ydy gweld y plant yn datblygu ac a bod yr rhan o'i bywydau nhw. Mae jyst mor braf bod chi'n teimlo bod mor gysurus a mor falch o weld chi dim yr ots lled a chi mewn ffordd. Wedi pan maen nhw'n dod yn hyn, plan bach o wahanol, maen nhw'n meddwl bod chi fod jyst mewn un lle. Ond maen nhw jyst bod nhw eisiau bod yna hefo chi a da chi'n cael jyst bod y rhan ohonyn nhw lle. Gweld nhw'n datblygu mor dda. Ac unrhyw help maen nhw angen lle. Mae rwy'n jyst falch o cael gwneud lle.
Before I started childminding, I was miles away in ground working. And when my daughter was born, I found it difficult to actually leave her. So I decided to become my wife's assistant and found out that I actually really enjoyed it. And I was here watching my children grow up. So it was the easiest decision I've ever made. So that's what I did. And I'm still doing it to this day, 10 years on, and best decision I've ever made.
I get asked this question a lot, and it's really hard to pinpoint one specific thing. However, watching children bang building blocks is the highlight of my day. I get asked all the time what's the best thing about being a childminder. And it's really hard to pinpoint one specific sort of joy. For me, it is kind of how rewarding it is. Freddie just walked, I'm really sorry. Yay! Cat! That's the best thing about childminding.